A warm welcome to one and all assembled here. Welcome back to another real-time SharePoint page discussion. Hi, this is me Thangu. Many want real-time experiences, and this is a short illustration on how the SharePoint pages or the sites feature helped many across the world in real-world projects during my career with SharePoint. Long ago, as a .NET developer, I had to spend months to develop web pages using ASP.NET and SQL, which I really enjoy. But I came across SharePoint, and wow, with the help of SharePoint, tons and sites and web pages could be easily created for many across the world in probably just 3 hours of time maximum. So the focus shifted from doing what all want, the normal ASP.NET form or just the SQL data storage, to something more creative. Even the coding I did was more creative, and even the non-coding work in SharePoint was more creative. So you just had to think, and with SharePoint you could do what you want. So let me start with what happened with HES for SharePoint long back. So from the beginning in SharePoint, way back in WSS 2.0 to MOS 2007 to SharePoint 2010 to SharePoint 2013 to SharePoint 2016 now, constant famous feature is creation of websites using the create site feature. Also, we can create many subpages. My personal favorite is the employee training site using the Fantastic 40 template long back, which was very simple, and also we could attach workflow for some process needed. In real time, many employees would jot down their ideas on paper, and we would discuss, and the ideas were converted to websites with the help of SharePoint, and many times no coding was needed. Way back from MOS 2007 to SharePoint 2010, I've come across many clients where SharePoint was innovatively used without the need of coding. Now this is a very important page discussing how many clients are benefited with SharePoint. So some of the common tasks in real world might be to just create new sites, or to add users to groups, or to change the color, or add web pages, adding web paths like pictures from a picture library, or adding a simple text using the similar experience to the Word rich text editor. And please note that some of the lessons I learned was do not put too much text, and make sure there's not too much scroll bar. Try to use the list view instead of the data grid. There are so many web paths available, and through experience you will know which web path to add. You don't need to do code. Many web paths are available to get your business requirements done. And there are many times many clients wanted charts for the data to be displayed. So way back as a coder, I had used Visifyer, but SharePoint 2010 came with a chart web part, and recently we have Power BI. And please note that SharePoint web pages are mobile friendly right now. So recently I have been using Office 365, which is my favorite. It's coming with new features almost every day from Microsoft, and we can use SharePoint portal to showcase. I've been using SharePoint portal to showcase SharePoint for many trainings for many people across the world. So this is a simple SharePoint page where you can put image on the home page, you can put slideshow, or you can add a news feed where you can start discussing with your colleagues. You can add calendar and add events for people across the world. You can add pictures. There are so many beautiful web paths available out of box from SharePoint. And you can showcase Excel web access charts in SharePoint, or use the Power BI to showcase the dashboards in SharePoint. What I've shown you was just a dot with so many can do. There's so much you can do. Just as there are millions of stars, you can do millions of things with SharePoint. Each of you can come out with many ideas and innovatively use SharePoint. And just the websites and web paths and apps features are more than enough. And developers are also constantly working to make many good web paths available from the SharePoint store. Hope SharePoint helps you to meet many business requirements and also give you joy. Take care. Thank you. Bye-bye.